Our 4,800 CFM swamp cooler. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 33 3/4 inches. A depth, we have also 33 3/4 inches. And an overall height of 35.5 inches tall. Please note that all four corners and panels can be removed. And for example, in the front here, we have the fan motor and the blower. Coming to the top of the ceiling will be the water spray, and the measurements from the motor to the fan blower will include 24 inches in diameter. So 24 inches counting from the fan blower to the mount of the blower. Dimensions after the panel is removed will include 28 inches in length by 28 1/4 inches in height. Coming to the bottom of the swamp cooler is the fixed entry. Measurements for this square entry will include 17.5 inches by also 17.5 inches in height. The depth we have 4 1/4 inches. The left and right panels will have openings such as this, and inside it's insulated with the filter where the hot air will enter. Coming to the other side of the fan blower will be the water pump, along with the hose that will connect up to the water spray on top. Coming above the water pump will be 2 of the 120 voltage plugs, and coming to the side will be the wires for the motor and pump. On the side, also included, will be the float valve. Coming to the front or side of the swamp cooler will be the ETL certification, along with additional information for this unit. For all questions, give us a call, or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.